The name of this fish is Pontonus valhani, and it's a scorpion fish. The exact name of this fish is a spotback scorpion fish. It is related to rockfish. This one here is actually fairly large. I'm going to weigh it so that you'll have an idea of how big it is. The gutted weight of this fish is 9 pounds, 5 ounces. In order to clean up this fish, I'm going to start by trimming off this fin up here. It's got really gnarly little needle-like structures on it, and that has to come off. I'm cutting off all the parts that can spike me. And they won't be eaten anyway. Turn it over. And the hardest thing to get off is this back fin. In order to get that back fin off, it took this cleaver and this to pound it off, but I finally got there. It's pretty significant piece of fin. These are some of the aromatics that I'm going to use to season the inside of the fish. I've got some ginger, jalapeno, green onion, Korean peppers, garlic, and here I have a combination of more green onion, cilantro, mint, and one other thing's over here. The perilla leaves and basil, Thai basil. Got this whole fish stuffed with all those aromatics, and I'm now going to refrigerate it until I'm ready to cook it. Also, we did scale it, so that's the reason why the skin looks a little different. I've got my fish on a rack and a full pan, and I'm now going to make some slices in it. And that's so that we can put some seasoning in there so that it will cook even, in addition to flavoring that fish all the way through. In addition, I have this Hawaiian seasoning mixture, and I'm going to be rubbing that into this fish. Making sure that I get it inside those slits. I also have some garlic slivers left over from when I put them inside the cavity of the fish. I'm going to be putting some of those inside the slits here, just to add another level of flavor. Noting that I also have garlic inside the cavity. I did put slits in on both sides of the fish, seasoned it with that Hawaiian seasoning which contains sea salt and some ginger and garlic and one other type of salt that's like a Hawaiian salt. And I sprayed it with some oil, and then we're going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to bake it at 350 convection until it's done. I anticipate it would cook probably in 30 to 45 minutes because it's a pretty big fish, 9.5 pounds.